Hi everyone, in this video we are going to go over the if function in Excel. To do this, we will start in cell K11 and display yes if the employee has medical for benefits, otherwise display no. So let's head over to K11. We'll type equals if, hit tab on your keyboard. It's asking us what is our logical test going to be. In this case, it's going to be what is in the benefits column. So for the first employee, we are going to choose cell G11. And we have to test it against if it has medical. So we'll type another equal sign. And since we're about to type a piece of text, we have to open our quotes. So we'll type medical. And you want to type it exactly how it is in the instructions. So we have a capital M in our instructions. So make sure you put a capital M here. Close your quotes and type a comma. Now it's asking us if the value is true, what do we want to say? We want it to say the word yes. So again, in quotes, type yes. Close quotes, type a comma. And now if the value is false, we want it to say no. So we'll type quotes, no, close quotes, close parentheses, and hit enter. You'll notice for the first person, it told us no, which that's correct because John Smith has dental for benefits. But now let's drag this down to make sure it's working. And let's say we test the second person, Emily Johnson. She does have medical benefits, so it told us yes. So we know it's working properly.